Hi, I'm Dr. Samir Ahire. I'm a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon. I am practicing in Mumbai and Panjim in Goa. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you regarding the cost related to tummy tuck surgery in Mumbai, India. So let's start with today's video. So the most common question which my patients do ask me is how much my tummy tuck surgery is going to cost. This is a very simple question, but the answer to this question is not that simple. Why? Because there are many factors, minor things which are involved with tummy tuck surgery, and depending upon these factors your cost is going to vary. So to know the cost of your tummy tuck surgery, you need to first understand all these minor aspects which are related to your procedure. So there are four major factors on which the cost of your tummy tuck surgery is going to depend. The first is your surgeon fees, the second is your facilities fees, third is your anesthesia fees, and the fourth is incidental things such as your package, your pressure garments, prescription, post-op medications, and if there are other things included in your package. So depending upon all these factors, your cost is going to vary. So the first factor is your surgeon fees. Make sure your surgeon is a board certified plastic surgeon. You should ask your surgeon how much tummy tuck surgery he has done, what are the different kinds of tummy tuck surgery he specializes, and depending upon that he might charge you. Each surgeon is going to charge you differently depending upon his experience, depending upon his location, depending upon how much of tummy tuck surgery he does, and the fourth thing is what add-on things he is going to do. So the first factor is geographical location. If you are getting operated in a metro city like Mumbai, Delhi, definitely your surgeon is going to charge you more. Second thing is depending upon your surgeon experience, how much of experience does your surgeon has in plastic surgery, in cosmetic surgeries. So depending upon that, your surgeon is going to charge. So there are no standard surgeon fees your surgeon is going to charge, so it's going to vary. The third thing comes now, what kind of procedure he is going to do, whether he is doing a mini tuck for you, whether he is going to do a standard extended tuck, lipoabdominoplasty, 360-degree lift, or a fluid-less abdominoplasty. So depending upon that also your charges are going to vary. Plus to that, what all add-on your surgeon has included, like whether he has included liposuction of your flanks, lump handles, inner thighs, to give your maybe lower back to give you that complete shape. The second factor here is the facility fees. Definitely, what kind of facility you have opted. For example, whether you have opted specialized clinics come nursing homes for your procedure, whether you have opted for a nursing home or you have opted for a corporate setup. Depending upon that, it includes your OR charges, it includes your nursing charges, doctor charges, equipment charges, instrumentation charges, whatever consumables you are going to need in the operation theater, and your admission period, your medicines, everything will be included in your facility fees. The third factor is your anesthesia fees, and since we usually prefer to do your tummy tuck surgery under general anesthesia, we want specialized people to monitor you so that you are safe and we don't have to look after your vitals. So depending upon how much is the operating time and what kind of risk factors are involved in your anesthesia, your surgeon, your anesthetist is also going to charge you differently depending upon the procedure as well as the operating time. The fourth factor is other incidental things like your prescription, your medicines, what are you're going to need during your hospitalization after your discharge, the pressure garments, what kind of pressure garments, how many pressure garments, then comes your dietitian part, your exercises part, your dressings, lymphatic massages. Usually patients who do come to us out of the state or out of India, we give them a complete package which includes their hotel accommodation, their airline fees, their transportation charges. So everything is included in our package. So definitely all these four factors combined together will contribute towards the total cost of the procedure. If you ask me on an average how much is your cost, definitely I'd like to tell you in India, in Mumbai, we do charge somewhere between 2.5 to 4 lakhs for your tummy tuck surgery. which is inclusive of everything. That translates into somewhere around 4,000 to 10,000 USD. If you are thinking like if some of my international patients who do come from out of India, then these are the charges what we take from them. So to tell you and summarize this video, yes, tummy tuck surgery is a very specialized procedure, should be done by experienced doctor who has good experience in doing tummy tuck surgery, and it's a once in a lifetime procedure. So it's always better कि you do consider the results factor, result part as your priority rather than the cost, because you will get people who will do it in a little bit cheaper rate, or maybe they'll give you a good discount, but then don't compromise on your results. So if you have liked this video, subscribe to your channel, and you'll be getting more and more videos regarding tummy tuck surgery on your channel. Thank you so much.